At ganoon din po sa mga taga-Barangay Hutyo, magandang gabi po. Bukas po, dito po ulit ang laro, dito po ulit ang venue natin. Gawa po ito ay biglaan lamang at gawa ng nag-cancel ang Balay-Tigay. Maraming salamat po.
Sabi ko nga yung mabasa kang uso. Hey, Paul.
Young ball, Anki between Aligos. Ito unang tabik, bola mapunta kay number 02 Bilen. Bilen, Dini Starte, pass to number 31. Sakit na kay number 30 Aligos, sa ilalim kay number 12. Sablay, makalap na rebound, tapi ka ng bola out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Number 73, Islo with the tempo. Dribbling the ball. Hermanes. Sa ilalim kay number 10. To number 17, Rale. Shot clock 10. Sablay. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Shot clock natin 7 seconds. 7 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Same ball pa rin tayo. Shot clock 6. 6 seconds to shoot. Number 13, 73, Hermanes. Air ball. Out of bounds, same ball. Shot clock 1 second. Isang segundo.
Nakalive ako ha.
Nakalahoy, nakalive.
Hindi.
Ilalim.
Good ball. Number 12, pass to number 22. Raise off top ang basket.
Yeah, 2-0.
To number 24, basket. Villalobos, Rader.
Sel lang ko yan.
Villalobos.
Pinsan ko yan. Oo eh.
Sukat na sukat ng mga ring dito sa bayan ng Sugbo. Number 31 to number 12, Pilara. Shot clock 14, to Daruka. Daruka sa ilalim. Bakit Daruka? Basket. Official score 4-2, favor of Papaya. Number 73, Hermanes. Islo to tempo. Dribbling the ball, setting the play. Shot clock 15 to number 31. William Sablay. And a rebound. Bola may number 22. Pass to number 31. Daruka and there's a whistle. Foul and charge to go to number 10. Andy. Number Marasa. Number 17. Rale. And it's Rale. Pass to number 21. Number 17. Deadlock tayo all four. Number 12 in Barnabal, pass to number 21, Daruka. Daruka is slow that tempo. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Looking for teammate. Shot clock 14 to number 2, to number 31, to number 12. Shot clock 10. Sagot na kay Alugas. And there's a whistle foul. Basket may kasama pang foul. And charge figures si number 10, Anke. Anke number 10, first personal foul, 70 foul.
Baka may mag-grad.
Body shot para kay Juicy number 13, Aligas. Mula sa nabigitang talampakan.
March pa ay April. Kalma, kalma.
Sablay and a rebound, number 31, Mina. Paras number 30, pass to number 24. To number 73, Hermanes. Hermanes to number 10, Anke. To number 31, Mina. Sablay, rebound number 2, Bilen, pass to number 12. Baseball pass to number 73, Hermanes. Hermanes to number 21. To number 24. Sablay, eto, rebound, bola lang po tayo number 31, Daruka. Eto, si number 22, Sablay, balik number 22, Sablay mo na ba, talab na rebound, tabi nga ng bola, baho tayo number 31 ng Barangay 8. Number 31, Mina. Dribbling the ball. Shot clock 15 to number 13, 73. Eto, intercept na number 22, pass to number 2, Bilen. Bilen lays off, basket for 2. To number 31, Mina. To number 73, Hermanes. Shot clock down to 10. Extra pass para kay number 10, Anke. Shot clock down to 5. And there's a whistle. Foul and charge to jersey number 31. Hacking foul. Number 31, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 17, Rolling, Bandigal pass to number 10, Anke. Shot clock 12, shot clock 10. Number 73 to number 10, lock wide. Out of bounds. Balik ang opensa para sa Barangay Papaya. Bilan number 2. 3 points. Three minutes exactly. Number 73, Hermanet. Shot clock 12. To number 31, Mina. Mina fires. Rebound number 31, Daruha. Daruha, dribbling the ball. Daruha, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22, Tapang. Si Tapang, umatang nila yung drop. Rebound, bola naman kay number 10, Angke. Ito nga siya, kaya may tangan na bola. Didiskarte, atake. Angke, lays up. There's a whistle. Foul and drives to go to number 31, Daruha. Daruha, number 31, second try of number 10, Angke. There's a whistle. Kitang-kita ng ating referee ang foul. Ito si number 24. Shot clock 12. To number 17. Shot clock 8. Ito bola, mabubulog ni number 26. Perna. Intercepted ni number 73. Hernandez goes off. Rebound balik kay Hernandez. Daruha fires. No good. Rebound number 10, Angke. Angke pass to number 10, to number 21, basket. To number 10, Angke. Silent. Supply. Rebound para kay number 21. 55 seconds. Number 31, intercepted by number 73. 45 seconds. Supply, Vidal Maliga. Pass to number 23. Babang pa tayo number 31. Pass to number 12. Ibarra basket. 30 seconds.
Na.
Number 10, Angke lays up. No good. And out of bounds. Remaining time 20. Intercepted number 26. Amiga Supply. And the first period. Official score 17-6. Number 19, Berna. To number 14. Shot clock 15, and si Berna. Intercepted number 21. And there's a whistle. Foul and charge to go to number 19, Berna. Number 19, Berna, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 31, ibang naman pass to number 11. And si number 11, ang magmamanual from ng Barangay 8. Pass to number 73, Hermanes. Hermanes, diskarte. Shot clock 14. To number 3, 31. Ito, intercepted ni number 19, Berna. Berna, bola derecha, lays off, basket for two. Nina. Pass to number 73, Hermanes. Hermanes fires, no good. Foul na number 5, tapi ka na bola ang bola number 19. Intercepted number 11 to number 21, Mina. Mina, looking for teammates. Pass to number 73, Hermanes. Hermanes. To number 11, out of bounds. Balik ang opensa para sa Barangay Papaya. Number 11 to number 73. Hermanes. Dribbling the ball. Slow to tempo. Shot clock 15. Hermanes. Didiskarte ang bakit. To number 11. Sa kailangan kayo ng ito. Ito medyo malalim. But there's a whistle. Foul. Number 22 tapang second personal foul. Second team foul. Official score natin 19-6. Favor of Barangay Papaya. Substitution na rin. Substitution. Number 19, Perna. Didiskarte. Silent. Medyo malakas yung pasa. Mahina ang koneksyon. Number 9, De La Raza. Ito, Didiskarte. Bakit yung mananabog ang bola balik sa kanya? Pass number 21. Pero ito, battle of the ball. Mabutay number 7-3, Hermanes. Hermanes to number 11, shot clock 12. Shot clock 12. Ito, sino ang kick?
Ano
Sa
ka na?
yung tira ng number 26, Berna. Pass to number 19. Number 19, Berna lays off. Mediu, tira number 8. Sablay Bareba. Dalag na rin tapping naman out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Number 19, Berna. Shot clock 8. Berna, side alibay number 8. Out of bounds. Balik ang opensa para sa Barangay 8. Number 31. He slowed the tempo. To number 9, De La Raza, shot clock 15. Ito sa ilalim, out of bounds, same ball tayo, shot clock 12. Number 11 to number 2, basket may kasama pang foul. Charge to jersey number 8, pushing foul. Number 8, first personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus shot para kay Nina number 31 mula sa Rabiniman Talampakan. Complete. 3-point play. Number 26, incoming ball pass to number 19, Perna. Official score natin, 19-11. Favor of Barangay Pabaya. Number 22, Tabang. Shot clock 14 to number 26, Perna. Supply. Enter rebound. Bola ng kay number 31 to number 11. Number 11 is slow the tapa. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7-3, Hermanes. Ito sili para kay Hermanes. Under the shot clock out of bounds. Save for 22, Tabang. Tabang intercepted number 7-3, Hermanes. Pass to number 11. Number 11 to number 10. After basket for 2. Official score 19-13. Favor of Barangay Papaya. Number 14 pass to number 19, Perna. Shot clock 15. Perna to number 22, lays off. Basket for 2. Number 9 is low the tempo. De La Raza. Shot clock 15. Number 73, Hermanes Tangkway, Sablay. Out of to 22, Tabang. And as Tabang enters the whistle, foul and charge to jersey number 9. Number 9 is 2 minutes exactly. Intercepted number 8. And as number 8 out of bounds. Balik ng opensa para sa Barangay 8. To number 9 out of bounds. Ito, Langkway. Ito, paluwak ni number 22 basket. 1 minute and 15.
Dala mo.
Number 9, De La Raza to number 73. Hermanes. Ito, Hermanes. Back to number 10. Ante. Ante. There's a whistle. Foul and charge to jersey number 2. Basket. Second quiet, number 10, Ante. Sabay. Ito. Interim tuition ang itatawag para kay number 10. Sabay. Sabay. 30 seconds. Shot clock 10. 25 seconds. 22 seconds. Shot clock is off. Number 19. Pass to number 14. Basket. 15 seconds. 30 seconds. Number 31. Walk 2. And the first round. Official score 25-6. Number 9, De La Raza. De La Raza to number 10, Ante. Dribbling the ball, setting the play, and off the Diskarte si number 10. Shot clock 15. To number 31, Longwine. Sablay at the rebound. Wala kay number 9. Dilarasan to number 24, Villanos. Villanos. And no drop for no move. Pagpili ba para kay number 30. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 31. Daruka. Number 12. Shot clock 12. And that's si number 2. Supply hindi na rebound. Bola kay number 9. Pass to number 24. Villanos to number 10. Ito siya kay atake. Attacking the defense. Bala ng rebound. Bola ng number 13.
Dami talaga yung isa.
So Rizal. Foul in charge to number 10. Villanos, rebound number 12. Ito si Dibala, pass to number 2. Ito si Dibala, para sa kanyang kurang dire-diretso na sa number 31, Daruka Park. Rebound number 10, Ante. Ante is low to tempo. Number 10, pass to number... Ito si number 17, roll. Shot clock 10. Roll, bars, rebound number 10.
Dami niya sayang.
Pass to number 31, Daruka. Daruka lang sa rebound number 12. Rebound number 2, Bilen. Sablay pa rin, rebound number 31, Mina. Ito, si Mina. Diniscarte. Mina, pass to number 10, Ante. Shot clock 15. Shot clock down to 10. Number 10 ang Telang Kway, Supply, rebound number 30, pass to number 31, Daruka. Daruka harap sa 9. Pwede ito si Daruka. Nakawala, Daruka to number 2, Bilen, fires, pass, basket. Official score natin, 27-16. Favor ang Papaya. Number 31 is low to Tepa. Pass to number 24, Villanos. Villanos. Eto, nakikipagbali-bali number 31. Shot clock 10. Number 10 ang is remove. Eto rin 10. Ito marumulot ni number 2. Bilen. Bilen, base. Bounce pass para kay number 31, Daruka Supply. Rebound number 21, pass to number 9 to number 3, number 17, Roll. Sablay pa rin. Rebound number 38. Ito, nagkahiya pa si Ngepit, si Kapitan. Number 10, yung lang point. Number 10, win point. Diniscarte. Pumukal, Sablay. Rebound number 30 to number 31, Daruka. Ito si Daruka. Nakita si number 10. Si Kapitan Limbok sa Malaya. Sablay, rebound number 31, Mina. Ito si Mina. Stop, no move. Butler sa Rizal. Foul and charge to jersey number 30. Kabaltan. Number 31. Sablay.
Ay, nambay.
Number 31, second rise, Sablay pa rin. Ito, rebound walang kay Ron. Off the ball, balik kay Ron. Natapit, napunta kay number 24. Save the ball, napunta kay number 31.
Ha, hindi pa rin.
Number 12, pass to number 31, Daruka. Ito si Daruka, sir. May kisuyo siya konti. Kapiraso naman. Salamat po. Number 10.
Oh, kalot!
Ante. To number 24, Villanos Fires. Supply, rebound number 30, pass to number 31. Pass to number 31. Daruka, pass to number 10. Basket. Manes, is low to Tepa.
Go shot! Tira!
Number 73, Hermanes.
Tira!
Pass to number 9. Number 73. Shot clock 5. Basket. Number 10. Number 10. Kapitan Limbok, pass to number 12. Shot clock 15. To number 10, Limbok. And of Limbok sa dita, and there's a reason. It's a traveling violation. Ang itatalak 15. Reverse lays up basket.
Alula ako eh.
3 minutes and 30. Number 31. Shot clock 15. To number 12. To number 31. To number 2. Then sa gitna kay number 30. Shot clock 10. Supply. Rebound. Battle of the ball. Tapping ang bola out of bounds. Last touch ng Barangay Papaya. Balik ang opensa para sa
Bala, bala, bala.
Number 9, yung balik ang pass to number 73, Hermanes.
Hoy! Stay!
Hermanes, atake, Hermanes fires, and there's the whistle. Foul and charge to the Sinabayang Hermanes, number 73. Sablay pa rin, rebound number 30, Eligas number 10, Lipa. Pero ito na sa tatbaligan, pass to number 9, ito, out of bounds. Number 9, rebound ni Lipa, pass to number 10, Anke. Anke, dinigil mo, pass to number 73, Hermanes. Hermanes to number 17, Sablay. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 10. To number 73, Hermanes. Shot clock 8. Andres Andante. Pero ito may foul na nakita ating referee. Foul charge to jersey number 2. Gilen. 2 minutes exactly. Number 9 to number 73.
Go! Baba!
Shot
bola!
clock 10.
One bola! Ash!
Shot clock 8.
Oh, yeah!
Shot clock 5. Sablay pa rin. Rebound number 24. Villada Sablay. Rebound number 30. Alikas. To number 10. Intercepted Hermanes. Hermanes fire. No good. Rebound. Bola nga pumunta kay number 21. Pass to number 2. Bilen. Bilen lays off. No good. Rebound number 10. Number 10. Limba clockwise. Sablay. Out of bounds.
Tira!
Pass to number 73, Hermanes to number 17. Clockwise, Sablay, and now, bata ng tabol, tapingan, napunta kay number 2, intercepted to number 10, Anke. Kasi Anke, dire-diretsa. To number 17, Sablay pa rin, rebound number 10, out of bounds. Last touch si Anke. 40 seconds, 40 segundo. Number 12. Ito si Bilen. Natapin ang bola. Makita yung number 10. Anke. Anke. Haras number 2. 30 seconds. Basket. 23 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5. 5 seconds.
Tira! Sayang pa! Tira!
Pass to number 19, Perna. Perna, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10, Limba. Eto si Limba to number 22, shot clock 14. Ito si Perna sa playtura. Ibang bola mabot ay number 17. Pass to number 10, Anke. Anke, titiskarte.
Oh, baba!
Anke, nagagawa sa pass to number 73, Hermanes. Sideline kay number 21, intercepted ni number 08 to number 10. And there's the whistle foul. Charge to jersey number 9, De La Rosa. De La Rosa number 9, second personal foul. Inbounding the ball. Ito sa ilalim, intercepted number 9, pass number 73, Hermanes. Hermanes moved up, basket for 2. Number 22, tapang to number 19, Perna.
Makakapunay!
Perna, he stole the tapang, dribbling the ball, pass number 22, tapang. Shot clock 15, tapang. And there's the whistle. Foul and charge to jersey number 17. Number 17, Rolet, third personal foul. Second team foul. First try of number 22, Tapang. Basket. Second try of Tapang, number 22. Sablay. Rebound number 31, Mina. Eto si Mina. Nagmamadali para sa kanyang kapunan. Mina is bingo pero interesantan ni number 22, Tapang intercepted. Eto si Tapang dire-diretso. Pero interesantan ni number 7. Eto is the whistle. Kita ng ating referee. Foul number 19, pushing foul. Perno number 19, second. First team foul. Number 73, Hermanes.
Oh, harang!
Eto, nasuntat na. Punta kay number 26 ang bala. Perno number 10. Ganda. Elbow down. No, alam sa riba ko lang. Number 31, Mina. Eto si Mina. Pass to number 73 to number 17. There's a whistle. Foul. Starts to jersey number 26. Pushing foul. Number 26. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First try of number 17. Basket. Second try of number 17 from the 15-foot line. Supply, Lima number 26. Pass to number 10, Lima. Ayan na. Lima. Pass to number 22, Tabang. Tabang. Silent kay number 8. Supply. At the rebound number 19, Perna. Shot clock 14. Perna to number 22. Intercepting number 7-3, Hermanes. Ito si Hermanes. Hermanes. Foul and touch to goal to number 19. Number 19, Perna. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Official score 33-25. Favor of Barangay Papaya. First try. Sablay. Remaining time 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Second try of Hermanes.
Ay, sablay pa rin.
Number
Habol yan, habol, habol. Oh my God, ba?
Official score 33-27. Number 22. Tabang is low to Tabang. Pass number 10 Limba. He's low to Tabang. Dribbling the ball. And there's a whistle. Foul and charge to jersey number 9. De La Rosa. De La Rosa number 9. Substitution direct. Timeout! Barangay Papaya. On the remaining time. Number 9 to number 73, Hermanes. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Etas na Hermanes.
Tanga, tuloy!
Number 8. Number 8.
Wala. Yay, wala.
Pero intercepted na.
Wala ulit.
Sablay pa rin. Eto
Wala
number
ulit.
19. There's a whistle. Foul and charge to jersey number. Number 73. Shooting on foul. Number 73, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Basket. Substitution darap. Number 10 to number 73. Dribbling ball. Shot clock 15. To number 31 Nina, Sablay, rebound para matay number 22 Tabang. Pass to number 8. To number 19 Bernal.
Wala.
And there's the whistle foul. Charge to jersey number 26, pushing foul. Number 26 Bernal, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 70 Hermanes. Ito si Hermanes. Elbow jumper. No good. Rebound number 10 Ante. Ante basket may kasama pang foul. Charge to jersey number 22 Tabang. Number 22 Tabang, third personal foul. Under penalty situation. Both teams under penalty situation. Bonus shot para kay number 10 Ante. Sablay. Official score natin 38-29.
Oh, harang!
Official score 38-29. Number 22 Tabang. Shot clock 15. To number 10 Limba. Shot clock 10. Long drive. Sablay. Ito rebound Perna to number 26 sa gitna. Sablay pa rin, rebound number 10. Pass to number 73, Hermanias. Menos Hermanias, diskarte. Last 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes, match you by Governor J. Manalagan. David Tanagpap. Number 10, Limbak. Pass number 22, Tabang. Shot clock 14.
Anong tapa?
To number 10, Limbak. There's a whistle. Foul and charge sequence number 31, under penalty situation. Number 31, second personal foul under penalty situation. Remaining time, 1 minute and 47. First try of number 10, basket. Second try of number 10, Limbak. Sablay, ito. May foul na nakita ang ating referee. Foul charge to jersey number 22, Tapang. Tapang number 22. Ito. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. Number 22 for personal foul. Warning for foul out. Both teams under penalty situation. First try of number 10 ang kick. Remaining time, 1 minute and 43 seconds. 1 minuto, 43 segundo. First try, no good. Second try of number 10 ang kick. Sablay pa rin. Rebound number 31, put back. Sablay, rebound number 19. Eka Superna, pero out of bounds. Number 31, Mina, to number 10, Anti. There's a whistle. Foul and charge to jersey number 22. Number 22, Tapang. 5 fouls. Basket. Second try of number 10, Anti. Basket. Official score 39-31. Number 13 to number 10. 1 minute and 25. Number 10, pass to number 19. Shot clock 15. Ito, out of bounds. Balikan opensa para sa Barangay Ocho. 1 minute and 12. Remaining time 39-31. Number 10. Angki. Ito si Angki. Dire-diretsa. Bahagyan na namin ang bola out of bounds. Number 24 sa gilid kay number 17 Sablay. 1 minute exactly. Number 30 to number 10. Shot clock 15. And that's the number 8 Sablay ang tira. Rebound lang kay number 10. And there's a whistle. Foul. Charge to jersey number 26 Perna. Number 26 Perna. For personal foul. Warning for foul out under penalty situation. Official score 39-31. Remaining time 45 seconds. 45 segundo. First try of number 10, no good. Second try of Anke number 10. Sablay pa rin. Ito, rebound. Bola mapupulot ni number 8. Ito, umilaw ang buhit. 40 seconds. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Intercepted number 26. Number 10.
Wala!
Seconds.
Hindi pa naalan.
Shot clock 12. 25 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Wala!
Sablay pa rin. Rebound number 26. 15. Out of bounds. Shoot. Number 31, intercepted ni number 10. Sablay. Foul. 7 seconds, 7 segunda.
Penalty.
First riot, number 31, Mina. Sablay.
Baya.
Second riot, Mina, number 31. Basket, split charity. 7 segunda. Five! Official score 39-32. People of Barangay Papaya. Yang next game, be ready. Barangay